How are you today? Today, I'm going to talk about the personal goals and professional goals, how to achieve the goals as your personal goals and professional goals. So, as you know, everything works according to the laws in the universe world. They are working all the time, whether you know them or you don't know them. If you don't know them, you might be working against of yourself. It's really important to knowing your laws, and of course, and everything works according to the mind. So today I'm going to talk about the law of sow and reap. So what to do with the sow and reap around our business is everything to do with that, how what we sow and that's what we reap. And if we're not reaping the right environment, the right we are not achieving the goals, and seeing the result according to what we want, that means we have to change what we are sowing. But we have to understand our own mind according to the law. So sow and reap. So what is the sow and what is the reap? So we have to understand our own mind to understand how that sow and reap works according to everything actually. So we are trying to build a business here. Whatever your business is, you might be maybe new business, more money, more prospects, or selling the product, or you just want to buy the new business, or personal goals or professional goals, whatever your goals are. We're trying to work around the goals you really want to achieve as your purpose. So let's start introducing myself first, then we start talking about the sow and reap. Stay the end if you want to have a full benefit out of this YouTube. If you're not staying the end, you're not gonna get the result. I mean, the full benefit out of this YouTube. So stay the end if you want to have a full benefit out of this YouTube. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking into Result. My mentors are Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And this is what I have learned from my mentors. And Bob Proctor taught this information more than 60 years. You know why he did? Because he worked, he taught this information to CEO, the insurance companies, the airlines, and the same information I'm sharing with you. And I have worked around my goals. I'm still working every single day around my goals. And this information works, and it worked for me and still working for me. I wasn't aware of the goals. You have to have a goals. And then, of course, then you have to know your own mind according to the laws. So this is what we are talking about, your own mind and the laws. So we have to understand the laws, we have to understand our own mind. So the sow and reap. So whatever we are sowing, and then that's what we are reaping. Reaping means reap means the result we are achieving. So the sow is your thoughts. So whatever you're thinking, and these thoughts we are sowing day and night. And how we can change that, if we're not seeing the result, that's what we are thinking. That is, you can tell what are you thinking, what are you sowing as your thoughts from your results. So how can you tell the results? From what you getting the result as you're sowing. The thoughts you are thinking, that's what you're thinking all the time. So if you're thinking against of yourself and you're not getting the result around your goals, around the business, that means you are thinking against of yourself according to the laws. Everything works according to the laws. We have to understand it's working all the time, whether you know it, whether you don't know it, the law is working all the time. So today we're talking about the sow and reap. So if you're sowing the seeds you don't want as your thoughts, and how can we change it? If you're getting the same result and you are even though intellectually you know it, and then you're saying, I know everything, why I'm still getting the same result? Why things are not changing? So example, so you're working around the business, you're not getting enough money around your business, or you're not achieving the goals you want. And that means your thoughts are not alignment with your goals, not alignment with whatever the result you're getting around the money or selling the product. That means your thoughts are not alignment with your goals. So how can we change that, the result we are getting? How we can change that, working against of ourselves? First, you have to know your mind. Your mind, you have intellect mind as your thinking mind, educated mind. Then you have subconscious mind. If your thoughts are intellectually, you're thinking about negative according to the laws, and that's why you are planting. That's why you are sowing. Sowing means that's why you're planting your thoughts, and that's why you are reaping. So you have to change your thoughts. You have to change according to the laws as a positive. So say around money, you have to start thinking the thoughts, in abundance. There's enough in the universe world. I'm flowing with the money. I'm living in the abundance. You have to start thinking like that as your thoughts, and then you have to experience that also in your emotional part. If you're emotional you're not feeling as emotionally, and it's not going to happen. So intellectually, you have to think the thoughts you want around whatever area, and then you have to feel it also, because with the feeling you're attracting everything. Law of vibration. So we are working on a level of frequency. Level of frequency means we have to understand mind. We have intellect mind as a thinking thoughts, and then we have a subconscious mind, conscious mind, subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is the emotional part, and we are attracting everything. Law of vibration. Law of vibration works on the level of frequency, and level of frequency, we are made of energy. That's what we are consuming all the time. We are consuming the energy as our thoughts and the emotions. That's what we are sowing, and from that sowing, that's what we are reaping as a result. So if you want to change that, you have to change your thoughts, you have to change your emotions, how you feel about your goals and your business or your money and what you want, and you have to start focusing and feeling only on that. Even your circumstances not good, your money, you're not flowing the money or whatever, but you have to start thinking and feeling you are living in abundance universe world. You're getting money and the money is flowing to you. You have to start feeling that, experience that already before you receive it. So then you can start reaping those thoughts. You can start reaping the fruit of your thoughts. So everything works how we think. It's nothing to do with the what is happening around the world, your family, your friends. Is everything to do with how we are planting the thoughts intellectually and emotionally. That's what we are reaping. So to change that, we have to change our thoughts, and then we have to change how we feel about the things emotionally, because everything we are attracting according to how we feel about emotionally. We have to start living the way we want to live, the way we want to experience before you get it. That is what the secret is. Before even you don't have it, and you start living that part, and you have it already. Your thoughts are there, your feelings are there, and that's why you're planting as a seeds, and that's what you're gonna reap as your results. So that your thoughts are like a seeds. You're planting them day and night, just like a weeds. If you're thinking in a negative, and that's what you are reaping. So change that. You have to change your thoughts. You have to change your emotions, how you feel about the information, and you have to start planting what you want as around your goals, whatever your goals are, and then you have to keeps impressing it in your subconscious mind and keeps focusing on what you want. Hopefully this lesson going to help you. It's really, really important lesson. You have to know your mind, and then you have to know your laws, and they work together. So as I talked about it, conscious mind, the subconscious mind, conscious mind is the thinking mind, subconscious mind is the emotion part, and they work together according to the laws. See, we're working together with the laws, intellectually how we think, emotionally how we feel, and we are consuming the energy, and that's what we are planting, that's what we are reaping. To reverse everything, we have to start thinking what we want, and we start thinking, feeling how we want to feel around whatever we are wanting, and then we have, according to the laws, that's what you're gonna plant in the universe world. Okay, hopefully this lesson going to help you. All I'm doing just facilitating this lesson, what I have learned, and Bob Proctor taught this information around the world 60 years, more than 60 years, airlines, the insurance companies, and you name it, the CEO, or you just staying in the house, that doesn't really matter. As long as you're going to apply this information, it's going to work. But it's only going to work if you're going to take the action every day, you're going to apply it in your thoughts and emotions. And of course, you have to take action every single day to plant these seeds every single day around your goals. Hopefully this lesson going to help you. It's really helping me. I'm very much aware of the laws. I'm very much aware of my mind now. And I'm trying to use according to that. Even something when I go wrong, my thoughts go wrong. Whatever I think, now I know how to bring them on alignment and how to think. And hopefully this lesson going to help you also. Thank you for watching the YouTube. Please, if you like the YouTube, give a thumbs up. If you want me to talk about around any subject around your goals, please let me know, leave the comments. And if you do need a further help, send me the message, and we can start talking on the Zoom, helping you around your business. So hopefully this lesson going to help you. It's really helping me. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching the YouTube. So now on, you're going to sow the thoughts only what you want, and bring back your thoughts what you want, not what you don't want. Okay, and your emotions also. And you have to feel your emotions what you want. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.